Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, go to display. And display, you can see the wallpaper. Okay, tap the wallpaper. Here in wallpaper, you can see the option here, the Samsung image. And okay guys, you can select on this, or you can select on your gallery by tap the gallery icon on the left side. But for now, I have no image on my mobile phone, and also in album I have no image, so I have to do is go back and I select one of these option. And okay guys, so I select this one, save on my phone or my Samsung. And after you select this, so tap the set as a wallpaper button below. And okay guys, wallpaper apply to your home and lock screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.